Hello everyone, it is Susan. I wanted to do a little video on my gardening endeavors so far. And because I'm pretty shocked, I came outside this morning and I looked here and I have lettuce that is already growing in 4 days. So yeah, today's the 16th. I planted the lettuce on the 12th. And oh my gosh, look at this. It's already growing. Unbelievable. So let me show you what I've done so far. So I just started this past week. I first pruned my petite rose bushes. So those are pruned. Everything has been fertilized that I'm going to show you. In here are red potatoes that I had set aside so they would get the eyes on them. And yeah, so I planted them in there. So that's potatoes. So in these two pots, they're actually drawers from, a plastic set of drawers. And they are both, I planted pretty much the same thing in each of them. I have 2 rows of lettuce in each. Then I have a row of dill. And then I have, in this one, I have 11 pea seeds. In this one, I have 9 pea seeds. And so it's a lot in both of them. But I learned from last year that I could put a whole lot more in these than I did. So I may have gone overboard, but I can always pull some out if need be. Now the peas and the lettuce in both of these are different. So this has one kind of pea and one kind of lettuce, and that has a different kind of pea and a different kind of lettuce. But the dill is the same in both of them. And then here's some herbs. So I have in these, I have parsley, cilantro, and chives in these. Then over here in these two pots, I have, let's see, there's carrots in both of these. And these, it's the same carrot. So these were planted 2 days ago. And what I did differently this year, my son actually came up with this idea, but I had asked my son, well, how can I, what can I use this year to document what I have planting? And he came up with the idea of these sticks. So it was like 42 of these sticks that he got at Home Depot for not much money at all. I forget what it was, but not much money at all. So I'm using them, and hopefully they'll work out better than the popsicle sticks I used last year. Over here are more carrots, but it's a different kind of carrot. These are like 3-inch carrots, so they're very short, where those are not. Those are regular carrots. These are short ones. So I decided to plant it in this container over here. Now the pink and those back there, nothing's in them yet. I do have to plant some more peas. So that's actually my next thing to do. I did order more pots like this, and they came in just yesterday. They were delivered. So I have to unpack those, and I will probably use maybe 3 of them for the rest of the peas that I need to plant. And yeah, so that's where I'm at with that. And over here, well, you see all my my dandelions over here, but that is the greenhouse that my son put up for me that I haven't used yet this year. And this is one of the raised beds that I bought at the end of last year, and my son put this up for me as well. And I'm just trying to figure out where I want it, what to do with it. I got the ground cloth. You cover the ground with cloth. It's a fabric made for that, and so that the weeds don't go grow through it. So I know I want to put that down first, wherever I end up putting this. And I have another one, a second one, just like it. And then I have two other ones, but I don't know how many I'm going to use this year. But I'll put down some cardboard as well on the inside. Then I have some leaves and sticks from the yard from last year. And then I would put the topsoil and fertilizer, and then I can plant stuff in it. These are just some extra things as I'm working out here. Over here is some chives. The chives actually started growing from last year. You can see there's a few in there. Those are from last year, so I just put more seeds in there. Those are my garlic. I have 5 of them growing. There's, I think, 3 at least that died, it looks like. So, but at least I still have 5. And then this right here, I have parsley at the ends over here and over here. And I had them there last year and they grew really, really, really well. So I have parsley in 2 places because I have it over in the pot, the container that I showed you earlier. And then I just have some cheap seeds I threw in here. And I don't know why I do that, but I just can't seem to throw out seeds. They were like free seeds that my mother got from somewhere. So anyways, I put them in there, but I'm not sure if they are going to grow. So anyway, so that's where I'm at so far. I have my little table set up out here, so that's where I've been working on these containers. So that's where I'm at so far. And right now these are just the seeds, the vegetables that can grow in cooler weather. So like the tomatoes, the peppers, the string beans, that I'm going to wait another month before I plant those. But these I could get in the ground now, or not in the ground, I could get planted now, and I knew that they would be okay. So that is where I'm at so far with my container gardening, and I will try to do a video every now and again to keep you guys updated. But look at that, I got lettuce growing in 4 days. That's just amazing to me, just amazing. All right, well, thanks so much for being here. Let me know if you are gardening. Do you do container gardening, and how long you've been gardening, or what kind of gardening you like to do. And I have to get some flowers planted, but it's a little too early. I'll have to look at all my seeds because I need to plant flowers as well. But anyway, that's where I'm at. Let me know what you think. All right, thanks everybody. God bless. Bye-bye.